Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your data on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page and go to three lines in the top right corner. And now you can go to account center. And then as you can see, there is your information and permission. You can click it. And then there is download your information. You can click it. And now you can click download or transfer information. Now choose the account because I want to download my data from Instagram. I will choose my Instagram account and then click next. And then as you can see, there is two options. You can download all your data or your information, or you can choose to download your some of your information. Let's say I want to choose some of my information. And then now you can choose the information like comments or messages or something, and then you can click next. Now you can choose to download to the device or transfer to destination. Let's say I want to download to device, and you can create files. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.